All right, everybody. Well, welcome to the Petrie-Flom 2024 Annual Conference and Writers Workshop, the Law and Policy of Psychedelic Medicine. I'm Glenn Cohen. I'm the Faculty Director of the Petrie-Flom Center. I'm a professor here at the law school, and I'm also the Deputy Dean. Today's workshop is sponsored by the Project on Psychedelics Law and Regulation, or POPLAR, as we like to call it, at the Petrie-Flom Center. And it's possible because of the support of the SciSafe Foundation, Tim Ferriss, Matt Mullenweg, and the Oswald Kamen Fund at Harvard University, and we're very grateful. I'm joined by my three co-editors and collaborators on this book. Mason Marks, the Florida Bar Health Law Section Professor at Florida State University College of Law and Senior Fellow at Poplar. Mason, do you want to say a word or two?
Yeah, thanks so much everyone for joining us. It's really amazing to be here with all of you. And we're celebrating our third year of Poplar, and this is just, I can't imagine a better group of people to have with us for it. So thank you.
Wonderful. We're also here with Amy McGuire, the Leon Jaworski Professor of Biomedical Ethics, Director of Center for Medical Ethics and Health Policy at Baylor College of Medicine, and the Baylor College of Medicine Ethical Legal Implications of Psychedelics in Society, or ELLIPSIS, another great acronym program. Want to say hello, Aileen?
Sure. Welcome, everybody. It's really fabulous to be here. I've really enjoyed reading everybody's abstracts and papers, and I'm looking forward to a very exciting day. I'm also excited to be here representing our ELLIPSIS program. That's a program that we founded at Baylor College of Medicine in our Center for Medical Ethics and Health Policy. My co-director is Lynette Averill, who some of you may know. And we do quite a bit of empirical research around psychedelics. We have a big project right now that we've been working on related to retreat organizations and experiences of individuals who attend retreat organizations, as well as a landscape analysis of what retreat organizations are offering in the United States and abroad. So really excited about that work and excited to be part of this conversation.
Great. And last, I'm going to introduce Susanna Baruch, the Executive Director of Petrie-Flom.
Hi everyone, it's great to see you all here. Thank you for making the trip. I actually want to thank the rest of the Petrie-Flom staff, without whom this would not have in a million years been pulled off. So especially our longtime Director of Administration and Finance, Laura Chong, who's out in the hall, and our newish program assistant, Lisa Gorelick, who has stepped into that role with great skill. So we're lucky to have them, and thank you to the HLS IT and catering team as well for keeping us going all day.
Fantastic. And if you've got questions, you can talk to any of the teams, Susanna, or to me as the day goes on. So a few just logistical notes before we get started. First of all, bathrooms, very important. They are around the corner. And essentially you go into the main hallway and then you take a right and there's one in the ladies' room, and if it happens to be busy, there's another one in the exact same space on the first floor, and you can take the stairs down. Second, timer. This beautiful piece of 1980s Tronglite technology is the limit timer. It's my favorite piece of technology. Computers are pretty good, but this is really awesome. You get 10 minutes for speaking, during which you'll see the green light. Then when you're down to your last 2 minutes, you'll get the yellow. And then you will get the red. When you get red, you should be finishing up. And if you're not finishing up, the person has a blink option and then finally a beep option. We've taken away the electroshock. We're not going to go there. But I encourage when people go over their time, people start rustling about, looking uncomfortable. Let's use some social pressure to keep people on time. So you got 10 minutes to speak and then 10 minutes of Q&A. If you speak longer, you'll get less Q&A, right? We will cut you off. The moderator will cut you off. We're not going to be rude, but encouraging people because we're very much fanatical about staying on time. It's very important to us. Our hope is to turn these papers into an edited volume. We've done so over the past year, I think 13 or more now. Following this workshop, you'll have time over the summer to revise your paper based on the feedback you receive. The editors will work with you to get your paper ready for publication. We've got a robust and really professional system for producing these edited volumes, and we'll be in touch about this logistics in mid-July. For that process, by the way, we're going to be really strict. There's going to be 5,000 words inclusive of footnotes, so as you talk today, think about what you might cut. We are recording today. I've read many of your papers, and I'll say 5,000 words, an ideal, but perhaps not the realization of some of these papers. We're recording today, so please speak into the microphones when you're presenting. We'll be captioning the recordings of today's panels and share on our website and YouTube for the public. We'll let you know where those are available. Please throw away your trash throughout the day before you leave. And lastly, each moderator will provide a very, very brief intro for each presenter, More information is available on the attendee list. We've decided we want to hear more from you and less about you. So we're going to have the moderators be very, very brief. And with that, I think we are ready, slightly ahead of schedule, which I love, to pass it over to the first panel. So can I get, Dr. Brindell will moderate the first panel up here, and can I get that panel up here too?